So it's best if you have 2 speeches prepared in advance. Practice it, go through it. Don't wait for a slot to be allotted to you before you start thinking about your speech, right? That will help you not only in this
So finally, I will decide your formats for activity function, all members.
Let's do that, I think.
Yeah,
But
No, what we say by formals, we're not saying that we come with a tie and bow and all that.
For us, it would be what?
alright, not being from the corporate sector, please excuse me when I have mixed up the definitions of formal. I really don't know how different formal is from a business can be.
So can you just be specific formal?
Formal, what does a formal mean? Does it mean a tie and coat and shoe and coat?
anyhow, it does not. What we get for our office right every day is not allowed.
Jeans, alright, jeans and t-shirts not allowed, flip-flops not allowed, chappals not allowed. Alright, now that is clear agreed on.
Sure, now we agreed on it, please start.
I suggest
You're waiting for that.
Sunil to have a session on this, please.
Who?
Sunil to conduct a session on what is formal, what is informal, what is casual.
Let's ask the issue.
Oh, we are going beyond time. 5:35 already. Another 5 minutes.
Formals, right?
Alright, so when you're not playing a role, please try and get involved. New members, especially old members, definitely get involved. If you think of having a reception committee, you could be part of that. Meet and greet new people coming in, the guests coming in, acquaint them with the program. See if you can take some load off the sergeant at arms. See if you can help the secretary write the minutes of the meetings. There's so many things to be done. You have to take the initiative. See how the meeting is conducted and take up whatever role you want. Go and formalize that or business casualize that. Reiterate, do not wait until a slot is allotted to you. Start writing your speech, prepare your speech and send it to your mentor and give the respect to your mentor. Give him or her the time to go through that speech. There have been instances, in my personal experience, speech is slotted for Saturday. I get mentee sending me his speech on Friday, 11:30 at night. I say, for me,
Yes.
studying is not a problem, you just copy this. So please, that is asking for a bit much. Mentor has to send it. Yes. What a mentor's role is.
As a mentor, what to inform the information of the
I think the mentor has to. The mentor has to inform the VP education that the
What he
speech
does.
is.
What he does.
No.
Not 48 hours.
We need it at least 1 week. Minimum 1 week. If not 10 days in advance.
Actually, I prefer 15 days in advance. Please come in.
No, why don't we make it that when the person comes up with the request for P1, P2, P3,
Before that, ideally before that the speech has to be approved. Which is what I'm saying. If all the new members, because you all will not immediately be giving your P1, P2 slots. So why don't you write your speeches, get your mentor to approve it and send the approval and then we put a slot for you. Ideal case scenario. If not, get that done. And write a speech at the mentor will approve. Don't ask him to send it back and forth or whatever. Or it's now a challenge how to write a speech and just tell you about Nikhil Salvi's formula which he told us in the OTP. Select an idea day 1, 7 days speech, okay? Select an idea day 1. Day 2, Google it. Day 2, expand the idea with bullet points. Day 3, 5 or 6 sentences on each idea. Day 4, bring it all together. Day 5, leave it aloud until you are comfortable with it. Day 6, record, rehearse, whatever. Day 7, delete. Simple. In 7 days, you got a speech prepared. 4 speeches a month. 10 speeches in 2.5 months. CC done.
and do it at your own personal.
So already for P3, please observe the TMOD, PTM, evaluators, general evaluators after P3, ask for those slots. Don't sit down, don't wait for the VP education to ask your request. It's your CM, your CC, you all have to finish it. You, badger, make sure to go after the VP education.
And ask for slots even before 3 meetings in advance if you know for sure you're going to be there. Let us fill our calendars, no? Let us fill our calendars as far as possible.
You all know when you will have this meeting, and so give priority to close personnel. Every alternate, Saturdays you all have this. Participate in contests. Don't necessarily have to be a contestant to participate in the contest. There are so many other roles: contest chair, sergeant at arms, assistant sergeant at arms, tally counters. year. P6, P8 and P10 will take credit for all these roles and all of these things. Also please attend officers training programs, judges training programs, we need good judges. This is for all members, it's not for those who have completed CA or something. P6 you've done, go and attend judges training program. Attend conferences, division, etc. So now you all know what those are. What have you all got as I think? English language course? Public speaking course? Not really, not only that. Management training course? Competent leaders? Not only that. What Toastmasters does to you is, it improves your diction, your grammar, your critical thinking skills. You think better, you write better, you speak better. Your listening skills will improve, so you will have a better relationship with your spouse.
Or
You
companion.
will learn time management, planning and implementation, organization and delegation, motivation, mentoring and team. Alright? So that's it. Finished. It's over. Thank you very much.